Hi everybody, my name is Adam Duliban. I'm the third generation owner of our family business, Duliban Insurance Brokers, alongside my brother Jason. So Duliban Insurance Brokers is a proud independent insurance brokerage. We represent 25 of the best insurance companies in Canada, and we source each of these insurance companies to find the best in coverage and premium for auto, home, commercial, and farm insurance. So Duliban Insurance Brokers was started by our grandfather, James Duliban, in 1976. Since then, we've went through second generation ownership by our father, Tom Duliban, and now by us, myself and my brother Jason. We started in a very, very small office in Welland, and we've transitioned into 5 different office locations right across Ontario with a trading territory that spans across Canada. So our background is insurance. We started in our family business since we were 13, 14 years old, both my brother Jason and I. We were dropped off by our school bus to our family business. We learned the ins and the outs of engaging with customers, helping customers, and supporting our team. So we enjoy helping people with insurance claims and providing the best coverage and premiums, but also growing and supporting our team each and every day. Our focus each and every day is on our customers and engaging and supporting our team with a high-level education and utilizing technology and digital tools and resources to be better at what we do, provide the best insurance experience that we possibly can. The biggest thing that we're proud of at Duliban Insurance is that through a rapid growth of our family business that we haven't lost sight as to who we are, and that's being able to use our business to do great things in our community, to support our team members through thick and thin, and to provide the best customer experience possible, and that will never change. Charity is everything to Duliban Insurance Brokers. For each one of our team members, we provide them what we call as Duliban Days. It's a paid day off to donate themselves and their resources to a local charity that means the most to them. In addition to this, each year we go through an RFP to determine a local charity that means the most to Duliban Insurance. And for us, recently this has been the Village of Hope, who throughout West Niagara has provided great things and great resources to everybody in need. And over the past year, we're incredibly excited to be able to donate more than $50,000 to such a deserving local charity. Our connection to the Lincoln community spans generations. Beamsville, Lincoln, West Niagara is a heartbeat of Niagara. It is blossoming with businesses, with charitable efforts, and with people that care to give back. We're fortunate to be part of the community.